TessAnne, we really appreciate you representing Jamaica hard. What should aspiring Jamaicans, up and coming Jamaicans, do for the future so we continue to have positive images instead of the negative images that many Jamaican women find they have to do to get attention in the media?
I think, each person is different, and I think I was raised with parents that really supported me no matter what and made me believe that I was good enough as just being me and I didn't have to become something else. My mother always supported her children coming into their own and investing in the people that they already are, because when you're born, I think God instills within you your little personality. From then He instills within you your gifts, your talents, and I think her gift as a mother was seeing that and just giving us the confidence to be ourselves and to stay strong in that. So yeah.
Reggae music is played on literally every continent. What can Jamaicans do to retain ownership of it as opposed to letting it become more commercialized?
Well, that's a tricky thing because really and truly nobody owns music. Music is something that connects with everybody on a different level, and you can't just say that it's like a child. A child, you can adopt a child and you love that child just as much as you would a child that you've given birth to. So it's not for somebody to say, well, that's mine. You know what I mean? And there are people who have gone out there that have helped to put reggae on the map that are not necessarily Jamaican or from the Caribbean. And I think as long as we Jamaicans remember that the message in our music is what's really important. When I look at people like Bob, one of the reasons that his music is still around is because of his lyrical content as well. He had something to say that was so simple but profound, and that people to this day, and when we're gone, our children and their children will find something within his music to connect to. So remember the message. Yes.
The Jamaican diaspora tries to stay connected to the Jamaican culture on the island. They say there's 2 million of us in the diaspora and 2 million on the island. The island, yes. What do you being a Jamaican, what can we do to maintain our culture, whether it's on the island or in the diaspora?
I think, speaking as someone who I went to high school in England, so, I remember feeling like a fish out of water for a very long time, but my mom did certain things like put on music sometimes, and trust me, when you walk into my house, not care how cold it is outside, feel the house turn up, the heat turn up. As you step in, it's Jamaica you step in. Just going out of our way to find ingredients to cook like Jamaican food. Your stew peas and your oxtail and all them things. Those things meant a lot to us, but just keeping it alive in that way, listening to your music, but also I think a big thing is reinvesting in your country, in your culture, and putting in those seeds, putting in that time, with your people as well.
Well, we do thank you for spending some time with us. What would you like to tell the Jamaicans in the diaspora, on the island, and the Caribbean, and all your fans?
I just want to tell them thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you for just, allowing me to live my dream. I'm here to do this, and I'm able to do this around the world because of you. God bless you. Go buy my new single, Fire. It's on iTunes, Amazon, and Google Play. Mwah. Have a good one.